Your homeschool curriculum can also incorporate your own religious and moral beliefs, something that no one but you can teach your own child. By taking control of a child's education, a parent can shape that child's value system better than any other way. It is not necessary to have a teaching degree, or to even be a college graduate for that matter. Although it is a tremendous responsibility to teach your own child, the education they will receive from a concerned parent will be much greater than they can get in a public school system. And if you don't feel comfortable with some of the harder subject materials, it's possible to hire a tutor for those classes. If you want your child to excel in homeschool, you need to possess two things. 1. You must have the desire to teach your children, and 2. You must have the determination to succeed with homeschooling. With Homeschools, that's all it takes, a desire and some effort. With those two things, your child can realize an education that will far surpass a classroom environment. Any parent can be an effective teacher if they truly have the desire for their children to learn. There is no one else that will want your child to succeed as much as you do. And to progress at a better than public school pace, a child must have a teacher who knows them and wants them to learn. Many public school teachers are only in it for the paycheck. And most others have so many kids in their classroom, there is absolutely no way they can give them the individual time and attention that a parent can with homeschooling. This is why homeschooled kids have the potential to far exceed public school children. The biggest hurdle that most parents face is being unsure of their own ability to teach. School teachers must go through many years of education programs before they are qualified to teach others, while many parents have no training at all. But should this be the deciding factor? You may be surprised at how effective you can be as your child's instructor. School teachers are faced with many obstacles and regulations that you will never have. They must overcome many children's learning styles and behaviors, children with disciplinary problems, school regulations, and a host of other things that will not be required of you. As a homeschool parent, you are in charge of only one child, not a room full of children who possess different personalities that learn in many different ways. In the public classroom, when it comes to curriculum, school teachers are required to follow a program and use materials that the public system has approved. Plus, they are bound to get through the material no matter how slow some of the children may be. You, on the other hand, with a homeschool curriculum, can proceed at the perfect speed with homeschooling. You can make sure your child learns a specific subject before going forward. And possibly, you can proceed much faster because there are no less intelligent kids slowing things down for you. In the public system, you can only go forward as fast as the slowest kid, otherwise they will be left behind. Another positive aspect to homeschool is your individual time. A teacher must start school precisely at a predetermined time and finish at a predetermined time. A parent can adjust the schedule as their children's learning abilities dictate. It is usually much easier to deliver the subject matter more quickly one-on-one, which makes it possible to delve deeper into certain subjects. Deeper examination can help a child understand things greater. By getting through lessons quicker, it also allows more time for other activities and field trips. Take a little time to search the web for ideas and lesson plans. You will find many different topics such as accredited homeschool, homeschool materials, Christian homeschool programs, and more. If you think you can't do it, think again. With all of the resources, online home education groups, forums, and your desire and effort, you can help your child achieve a brighter future that they can achieve in no other way. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.